Have you ever tried to hold yourself together while everything inside you feels shattered? When life breaks you, when people disappoint you, when your strength runs out, listen, God hasn't forgotten you, and what feels like the end is often where His healing begins. There are seasons when you feel broken in places no one can see. You smile on the outside, but inside you're fighting battles that feel too heavy to explain. But here's the truth. God specializes in broken places. Psalm 34:18 says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those crushed in spirit." When you feel like your heart is in pieces, God isn't distant. He draws closer. When you feel like you failed, God whispers, "My grace is enough." When you feel overwhelmed, He says, "Come to me, and I will give you rest." Matthew 11:28. Brokenness doesn't disqualify you. It positions you for God's healing. Think about a potter. He doesn't throw away broken clay. He reshapes it. He presses it. He molds it. And what comes out is stronger and more beautiful than before. In the same way, God is working in your life right now, even if you can't see it. Isaiah 43:19 reminds us, "I will make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert." Even in your dry places, He is creating streams of hope. And Romans 8:28 promises us that God causes everything to work together for the good of those who love Him. Not some things, everything. Even the things that broke you. Your tears, He's counting them. Your pain, He's healing it. Your story, He's redeeming it. You are not too broken for God. You are the very person He came to restore. So today, breathe. Let God hold the pieces you can't hold anymore. Let His love fill the cracks where disappointment and exhaustion have settled. If this message spoke to your heart today, drop a dove in the comments and let others know. I may feel broken, but God is restoring me. And if you know someone hurting, share this video with them. You never know whose life it might lift today. Stay encouraged, stay expectant, and remember, God is near to the brokenhearted, including you.